Well, hello there. This is Geoff from Geoffmobile.com. Right now, I'm in a beautiful kitchen in downtown Vancouver, BC, Canada. And I'm going to be showing you how to make microwaved Szechuan green beans. This is from the cookbook from the 80s called the Microwave Gourmet by Barbara Kafka. It's an amazing book, so I'm looking forward to trying out my first recipe from this Microwave Gourmet book today. And today I've got wonderful ingredients and a microwave as well as a food processor. I look forward to showing you how it's done. First, we're going to need to take a bulb of garlic and take out 6 garlic cloves from that bulb of garlic. The next thing we're going to do is take our knife and smash that garlic, remove the skin, peel it off, and put those aside for now. Continue smashing all the garlic, removing the peel, and throwing that in the bowl, which we're going to use for infuse. We have a piece of ginger here. We're going to wash the ginger under some cold water, and then use a peeler, vegetable peeler, to peel away the skin of the ginger until you just reveal the nice ginger flesh underneath. Now chop that ginger into fairly small pieces, but since we're going to be using the food processor, we don't have to make it too small, but just nice small pieces that your food processor can handle. Take some green onions and chop off the tips, remove any kind of old rotten parts of it, and chop that green onion into smaller size pieces as well for the food processor. Now take the garlic, the ginger, and the green onions and put them into your food processor. This is a fairly basic food processor, you don't need a super powerful one. Make sure you follow the instructions and use safety precautions because the blade is very sharp. Put on the lid and turn on your food processor until just takes a couple seconds. Just pulse it a bit and it gets nice and chopped up. And what I did was I took it out and just pushed it all down to the bottom again and ran it one more time just to make sure it's fully chopped, but it really doesn't take very long at all, very quick. Great. Now take all that nice mixture and pop it into your bowl and put that aside. Looks really good. Nice flavor starting to be released into the aromas. I'll pour in some oil and some chili flakes. That's 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or canola oil and about 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes or chili flakes. I put a pretty heaping teaspoon of flakes in there, so it actually was pretty spicy dish. But if you don't like so much spice, you may want to put a bit less. Mix that up and then stir it nicely. Pop that in the microwave now for about 3 minutes on high heat, uncovered. We've got some really lovely organic green beans here from the Choices Market in downtown Vancouver. First, you're going to wash them under some cold water in a colander so you can rinse off any dirt that might be on the beans. Luckily with organic, you shouldn't be finding any pesticides. But if you do not have organic beans, make sure to wash off any pesticides because you do not want to be eating that. Bring those over here, and the mixture has been finished cooking in the microwave for 3 minutes, so put that aside. And then I'm going to be chopping off the ends of the green beans so we have a nice bean. So I line them up and then chop off the tips and do the same thing with the other side. nice. I found that a better kind of a dish for microwaving the dish would be like a pie pan with pretty deep sides. A bowl would work as well if you don't have a pie pan, but I found it just be easier to distribute and stir the mixture in the pie pan. Make sure to use a microwave oven safe pan. Of course, do not use any metal in the microwave, otherwise you'll cause a fire. I'll put 1 tablespoon of soya sauce on top. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, also known as rice vinegar, but it's a different thing from rice wine, so it's also known as rice vinegar. Mix that up with a spoon, and once you've got that stirred up, you can put that in the microwave for 15 minutes uncovered, and make sure to stir it about 4 or 5 times throughout that cooking cycle. If your microwave is a bit stronger than average, you may want to check it before that and taste it, see if it's tender, because you don't want to overcook it. For my microwave, I have a pretty strong microwave, so I could put it in for maybe around 13 minutes and it was still very good. Here I'm just going to check on them and mix around the sauce so it's nice and stirred up. Looks really nice. I tried one and it wasn't quite ready yet, so I put it in for more time. Alright, so it's all finished. I've tried a bean from the microwave. It tasted good, so I removed it. It's cooling a little bit. You can serve it either hot or cold. You may want to transfer it to a separate bowl like I did later for serving. And there we go. So that's the final dish. That's the Szechuan green beans from Microwave Gourmet. Thanks very much to Barbara Kafka for the amazing recipe. This book is from 1985 or so. It's really kind of an older book, but some great recipes and really creative use of the microwave. So hope you enjoy this recipe. Please let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed it, please leave your comments below, and I look forward to talking to you more in the kitchen. Here's the ingredients list if you like, and for more videos, please click subscribe to Geoffmobile.com. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.